efficient, you need data. And having data in a digital form, readily accessible, will help position you to be successful in the future. This project started some years back and is all about digitizing technical documents, plot plans, engineering data book, equipment data book, and the likes, starting from the base project.
This is where all the setting takes place. As you're scanning, you're also checking what you're scanning. If a page is missing or if the scanner is picking more than 1 or 2 pages. So this is where you'll be able to detect it. These documents have been in the shelf for years. So we encounter documents that the edges are not straight. You have to look for a way to straighten it. Those ones, most times we use the flatbed to scan it. Remove all the challenges, you scan it and you still go back to set it the way it is professional and presentable.
This legacy document has been with us from 2015 and was projected to close out in 2030. The document we have here digitized already is over 114 million documents. But with AI, technology, digital and support, we're able to close them out in December 2024, 6 years ahead. The next is, what do we do with the hard copies?
How are we going to dispose it? Do we go the traditional, conventional method of incineration? Well, we know what that does to the environment. And as a company that prides itself as a sustainability company, so this is an opportunity for us to demonstrate that. That's where the thinking around eco-friendly disposal now came in.
The waste being generated will be sorted out. After the sorting, the paper is going to be taken down to a paper mill and it's going to be totally supervised. The focus is net zero emission. That forms the key. That's why we are here.
We started this job on 13th of June. We are moving it. We are trying to achieve our aim. We are doing well. The guys are working hard. Nothing goes for nothing. I believe that this paper, they can use it to produce something like tissue paper and the rest.
This paper waste has been compacted, and the idea is for us to reuse the paper waste. The intent is that after compaction, it will be sent to where it will be reprocessed. The tons of waste that will be cut down is equivalent to a lot of trees that we are saving. And this is all what it takes to ensuring that we stay green.
So it's been 4 weeks since this process of eco-friendly disposal of our sensitive documents started. This is my second visit since they started the sorting process. I'm here just to see how far they've gone and give them support. All right. That's good progress. That means in 4 weeks we have actually sorted out 6 porta cabin full of documents. Great job, guys. Great job. Well done. Now we're talking about saving trees and over 123,000 kilowatts of energy. That is huge. And I think that's the essence of this project.
The reason why we are trying to do all this is of two folds. At the end of the day, we have to reduce our greenhouse gas footprint as a company by 2040, and hopefully by 2060, we will be net zero as a country.
This is our production floor. This is the paper machine. But everything starts from the Hydra pulper. You feed the stock in it. That's the waste papers, the books, and then you put in water so that when it grinds and crushes it to pulp, that is when it will now transfer to our cleaning systems. Once the wet pulp touches this dryer, it will dry the paper immediately it touches the dryer. That's why you see from this process, all you're seeing is water, but from here, you're seeing paper. A shift can process about 10 tons of paper. The yield now is not 1:1. Okay. So if you put in like 10 tons of paper, it won't bring out 10 tons of output. Sure. It may bring out like maybe 5 tons. So this is the final stage in the process line to give out the semi-raw material. This is like a twin output machine. It brings out 2 jumbos at a time. And each of those jumbos can be up to 250 kg to be like 500 kg every 45 minutes to 1 hour. So we are happy to partner with NLNG to take care of their paper waste and help the environment in the process.
So this particular activity has brought so much value and potential future value to the business.
What can you do in your space to ensure that we reduce our greenhouse gas footprint? We all have to be part of the Toliko journey. I look forward to everyone participating and to see how we can together come on this journey.